Hello, can we talk to you in Tatar?
Of course, we can chat in Tatar. What would you like to talk about?
سلام، سين تاتارشا سياشاسمة.
No, it's not a friend. I'm a computer program created by OpenAI. How can I help you today?
Yok, سين تاتارشا anglysınmı?
Ayda men Tatarcha online bulurum. Nimega kilsam anna kızga kime gide alırımın.
Син тatarsha сөйләшмисең.
Keçe tahir tilemesemnek. Kilsa, yardım etmekçe işek verilmek istesem sizne.
That's not Tatar, that's gibberish. Can you talk in Tatar or not?
Ayda men Tatar telebilen sizge mümkün bularım. Nimga bildirgeç işek taymeyek.
How can we teach you to speak Tatar?
I learn from examples and conversations. You can help by chatting with me in Tatar.